How to remove email from Roblox account. In this video, I'll show you how to remove email from Roblox account. So to remove your email from your Roblox account, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Roblox into your browser or the application itself. And then from here, go ahead and click on settings at the top right, and then click on settings. And then that will take you to your account info settings. So in here, you'll be able to find this pencil icon. So click on this. So you'll be able to actually replace your current email, but you cannot delete it alone. So what you can do instead is to enter a new email that you want to use for your Roblox account into the section, and then once you have entered that email, the old email would be removed for this specific account on Roblox. So you need to verify that new email and the old email would be replaced. This is the safest and fastest way to remove an email from your account. And that is how you can basically remove email from Roblox account.